welcome to the Hamamatsu booth at CES 2024. So for this year we're presenting a wide variety of products. So if you're not familiar with Hamamatsu, we are famous for our well-loved image sensors, photodiodes, photomultiplier tubes, so a lot of sensors and light sources that get integrated into a lot of the products that we see at this show here. So I'll walk you through a couple of the things that we're displaying today from the bottom up. So Hamamatsu, since we are the components manufacturer, not only do we make the sensors and light sources, but we integrate them into our own modules as well. So I'll walk you through some of those options. So from the sensor side, we make multiple types of image sensors, from CCD to CMOS, in-gas image sensors, from these structures you see here to integrated into modules such as the cameras that you see here as well. We also integrate them with optics such as gratings to make our own spectrometers, so these are good for analytical applications. And using those same skills in CMOS processing and micro optoelectromechanical machinery, we also make a lot of MEMS devices like our MEMS mirror. So you'll see a lot of demos here of products that are integrating those devices, such as our hyperspectral imaging demo. We also have cameras on display here. If you want to turn over here, we also have some other examples of solid-state devices. So using mid-infrared technology for gas analysis, using infrared technology for looking at pharmaceutical compounds and active pharmaceutical ingredients. So there are really a lot of arenas that these sensors and sources can play in, and we're just trying to give an idea of where they can also be used. Okay, so now that you've seen this half of our booth, we have more to show, so if you'll follow me along. So I've shown you a bit about our detector side of things. We also make sources, as I've been hinting at. So here are some of our options. We make xenon flash lamps, very popular in a wide variety of applications, one being environmental sensing, which is actually the podium we're standing on right now. So in addition to xenon flash lamps, we also have QCLs. Those are very good for gas analysis. And we also have these deuterium lamps, good for water quality measurements. We have some mid-infrared light sources here as well, so mid-infrared LEDs. We have modules that are integrating those same mid-infrared detectors I mentioned earlier, and just some more examples of our spectrometers and image sensors that are more specifically tailored towards environmental application. And then for the meat of why we're in this particular section of the show, so we're in the automotive and LiDAR section. So we have a variety of the sensors that actually get integrated into a lot of the modules, the LiDAR modules that are used in vehicles. So we have the silicon APDs, so avalanche photodiodes, the APD arrays with transimpedance amplifiers. We have the 905 nanometer laser diodes. So a lot of these, maybe you're more familiar with them from the actual module itself, but this is just what's at the heart of those sensors, those sensing modules, the components that get built into them. So we're continuing to develop them. Even to this day, we have a central research lab that's always looking at new technologies. So, this is an example of what's existing, but there's certainly much more to see as the years come along. So come by our booth, check us out if you have the chance to. We'd love to talk to you about your project, anything that you'd be looking to maybe work with a custom solution on as well. So thanks so much.